Yeah, welcome back, guys. Yeah, the topic which was left in our previous video were the shorting. So yeah, just complete that topic. LS. Okay. So, coming back to the now, showing you that we had created a directory named demo1. So demo1 ls for listing it, and in that we have a file named as a file1. Yeah, the content inside the file1 we will looking at by command cat file1. This is the content, making it easier how the sorting work. So I had not entered the much difficult or complicated text. There are the simple the numbers, just like going from 1 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah. Now how the command short works, we will be looking here. sort sort file. For making it reverse short, have an r and the file 1. This is the output. This is the actual input or the actual data inside a file 1, which is 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. By making a while making a use of a command short happen r for reverse, the output which we are getting is in the reverse form, from the greater number to the smaller number, from ascending to ascending order. Take it from descending order. Yeah. And for sorry and for making it reverse, we have the simple command short file name. So yeah, in this we will be getting from output from descending to ascending, in simple word, from smaller value to the bigger value. Okay, this is the difference between the short r and the short command. Moving back, changing the directory. Yeah, coming back to our man. For clearing the screen, I had told you that there is a command known as clear, or you can just use a short short shortcut key, which is ctrl plus l. Okay, both you can use. I will be preferring using the shortcut key, but as who will be typing this clear all the time. Now the next command which we have here is a copy command. So just look at through. Yeah, just we will be going from the text. Watch what it contains. Copy command. Copy operation used to copy files and the directories in the Linux from one location to the another. It will copy contents of a one file to the another. If this if the destination file is not exist in a given location, then automatically new file will be generated. Syntax. The syntax will be just like cp. Cp stands for the copy. Here will be the option, here will be the source, here will be destination. Yeah, these are the some optional conditions which we can include in it, just like happen f for forcefully, happen b for verbose, or to view, happen l r for reverse, or to copy the directory, happen a to preserve the permission when copying. So here is an example. Copy one file context to the another file. Copying the file context of another happen ks.cg to the desktop kickstart text. Okay, this is the folder, and here is the text. Copying of file content to the another file. Okay, from file to file we are adding. So moving back to our Linux machine ls. Here we have the two. Yeah, just um, create a two file for creating cat, for creating multiple files at a time. Cat. We will be using the command touch file one, file file two, ls file one. Okay, touch file two. Yeah, ls file one and file two has been created. Now adding some text in the file one. its its name here the data in file 1. Continue to say. Yeah. Now adding the same data in file 2 is thus. This is the data of file file 2. Continue to say else cp command used for copying the file 1 text to the file 2 text. Okay. For copying. Yeah, you want to override? Yes. This is the data. This is the data. Okay.